Hi, welcome to Be Naked with Nadia, a channel that is here to help you becoming the best version of yourself so you can be, do, and have anything that you want. Welcome. And today we are going to talk about thinking as the person that you want to be. Yes. So, how important it is how we think about who we are, who we want to be. Self-concept is really, truly super important in a lot of things that we do, okay? Manifestation is very important. Why? Because when you want to manifest something, is very based on who you are, on the being, okay? So a lot of people come with these formulas on how to best manifest, on how to best have the things that you want, on how to best achieve the goals that you want to achieve. And I can tell you that really truly there's no one formula fits all, because everyone is really different and everyone has different needs. Okay, what might work for me might not work for you, and vice versa. But there are a lot of different techniques and a lot of different ideas that we can use to help us get somewhere. For you to manifest, you do not need anything, because you are always manifesting from the day you were born. However, there are practices you can use to help you gain discipline, gain knowledge, gain consistency, to do the things that you actually want to do and be where you need to be. There are, okay? For me to get where I am now, I had to change my routine. I had to change a lot of things in my routine, including my thoughts, my beliefs, my ideals, the things that I did when I woke up and going to bed, and most importantly, the ways I used to speak towards myself and others. Okay? So, when you decide that you want something, right? Or when you decide that you no longer want to be this person. Because a lot of people might decide, all right, I want to be rich, fit, healthy, drive a 4x4, whatever. Or some people just have the realization that, you know what, I'm so tired of being myself. I don't want to be myself. I don't want to be this person anymore. Okay? So no matter what you see right now, no matter what conclusion you got to right now, it's important that you got there. You got to a point where you say, you know what, it's time. It's time that I change my life, because it's either I am the same, I keep doing the same things, so I'm going to get the same results, and next year my life is going to be the same, exactly the same, or I'm going to take a jump and start somewhere. All right? Because you can actually just be who you are every single day and be the person that you are tomorrow and after tomorrow and so on, or decide that you're going to change and then things are going to start changing for yourself. You can give yourself 6 months. What's the worst that can happen? As I always say, it's hurting already, isn't it? So why not trying something new? Why not trying to invest in yourself for 6 months and actually do something with your life that you're actually going to be very proud and happy about, right? So once you get to that position, it's important that you are able to see who you want to be. So if you no longer want to be here, so here is what? Let's imagine here is lazy, unhappy, broken, in an unhealthy relationship. Okay, this whole, yeah? So what you're going to look at is the opposite of that. You want to be in a happy relationship. You want to be someone that gets up and does the work. Someone that is fit, So for me to be fit, what are the things that I actually need to be doing? what would that person be doing right now? Okay, how would that person dress? What what would be that person's favorite meal, or what would be their favorite habits, or their favorite TV shows, or their habits, or the things that they like to do? Where would they like to go? Go detail as the person that you actually would want to be. This is important. Why? Because it's like you get to know yourself, your better self, as in, this is the person I want to be. And then you look at yourself and you see, this is the person I am. Okay? And then you can actually look at the two and say, what needs changing here? What do I need to be doing to embody the person that I want to be? Okay? And so that's how the change starts. Because you know where you're going, you know what you want to be, you know what you want to be doing, you know how that person acts and doesn't act, and success is different for everyone. And this for you is being someone that is a better version of who you are right now, and that is going to make you feel better and higher and healthier. Understand what's stopping you from getting there. And I'm going to tell you from now that the only thing stopping you from being the person that you actually want to be is you. Because once you can see it, you can be it. Once you can have the vision in your mind, you can, get there. But it takes a decision. It takes you being able to see yourself as the person that you want to be. Get it? So this is really, really, really important, is knowing that I want to be this person. I am this person. I'm embodying that person. Because you are on your way there. And to be there, usually, sometimes, it takes you from changing one habit to another habit. It takes you accepting what no longer serves you. It takes you to let go of things that you're holding on to. The change sometimes might not be smooth, might not be, as clear as a lot of us would like it to be. But once we jump to the other side, it's like, it's like it was worth it. And I did not understand all of the chaos that was happening over there, but now I get it. I needed that to be here, to be who I was supposed to be. All right? So everything that you are going through right now, you are going through because you need, in some way, for some reason, to be where you need to be. Okay? And remember that all of the things that you are living, all of the things that you are encountering, you are living and encountering because of the reality of your ideas, of your beliefs, of your thoughts that you've been having until today. Okay? Unconsciously. Right now, you're becoming aware that you can control all your results by basically focusing on the right thoughts, on the right beliefs, on the right stories. And once you learn to do that, once you learn to shift all of that, you are also shifting the reality you live in. Okay? Because everything is connected. Right. So the big takeaway of this video is really and truly for you to start seeing yourself as the person you want to be. And once you start seeing yourself as the person you want to be, you start walking towards the person that you are meant to be. All right? Super. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want a bit more, if you want more tools, if you want to be able to be in the academy. You can join the academy and you can have access to all the trainings. And if you want a one-to-one with me, you can go to the link in the description below and you can book a free call with me. We can see how can I help you. You can follow us on New Academy, and if you enjoy the conversations, the topics that we talk in the channel, the workshop is coming. So we are going to have a manifest magic workshop coming soon. So keep an eye on our pages and I'll see you next video. Bye.